Friends, welcome back to my channel. So this is the Indian Maths Olympiad question, ARML. Compute all order pairs xy, xy plus 9 equals to y square, where xy plus 7 is equals to xy square. So this is a simple question. Since it was given in the test, so I thought to discuss this. First, let's add this. So if we add these two, I'll get x square plus y square equals to 16 plus twice xy. This is equation 1. And if I subtract it, it will be y square minus x square equals to 2. And this I can factorize y minus x into y plus x equals to 2. Now let us come to this x square plus y square. First equation minus twice xy equals to 16. So x minus y whole square equals to 16. 16 can be plus 4 minus 4 whole square. So I am getting here x minus y is maybe 4 or x minus y is maybe minus 4. So go one by one for this expression. So here I am getting x minus y, so I am changing this x minus y into x plus y equals to negative 2. I am putting x minus y as 4, then x plus y equals to 2 divided by 4, minus 2 divided by 4, this will be minus half. So x plus y equals to minus half, and x minus y equals to 4 minus 4. X minus y is equals to plus 4. I will solve this 2. Solving this 2. And we can x equals to, adding this 2, y will be cancelled. So twice x is equals to 7 by 2. So x is equals to 7 by 4. Then y will be minus 9 by 4. If I take x minus y as negative 4, then x plus y equals to minus 2 divided by minus 4, that will be half. And x minus y equals to negative 4. Now if you solve these 2, you get minus 7 by 4, 9 by 4. So these are the two pairs. X and y. So write xy equals to 7 by 4 minus 9 by 4. Another pair is minus 7 by 4 and 1 by 4. Thank you for watching.